Okay, so we're going to carry on now with seeing how well this operates. And you can see the radio is still playing in the background. It's about 45 minutes now, I guess it's been playing, maybe a little longer. No hum. So it's playing along quite nicely. It's on shortwave, and you can hear a little bit of the signal coming through in the background. At least I hope you can. Put this guy back on. It's very easy to get it past the idler wheel. It's working the mechanism here. It shouldn't have. There we go. Okay, that's where I want to start it. Just in case there's a grounding problem with this or the radio, or well, I know there isn't with the radio. I have to be very careful here at first. Oh, how do you like that? The radio has a polarized plug on it, but frankly I didn't check to see if the polarization really made sense or not. Waiting for the radio to... Well, that's curious. My line voltage meter is now reading 118, not its usual high of 123. Okay, let's just see if we can get a shock off of this. It's just something I've done all my life. I trust it. Yes, with this particular neon bulb has traveled with me since I was like 7 or 8 or something like that. So now we're getting grease on everything over here. Being a little bit careless. Okay, so we're plugged in. We're ready to go. Switch on. We're on 78, so it should spin. That's a noisy guy, isn't it? Okay, let's, I have a 78 record. There we go. Come on. Okay, it's having a lot of trouble there. There we go. Whoa! Wrong size. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug the output of this into the input of the amplifier where it's supposed to go. But just because I'm such a scaredy cat, I'm going to measure the voltage between them. $20 volts on my meter. Turn the volume down. I meant to turn the volume up. I tuned the radio instead. Turned off. Excellent. Okay, so we'll put this on to phono over here. That's phono, I'm pretty sure. Volume up. Excellent. Let's play the record. This is a record by Arthur Godfrey. Oh my gosh. Take Him to the Door. Oh, it's the Arthur Godfrey Orchestra under the direction of Archie Blair. And the singer is Billy Rose. Well, it just says Billy Rose, Davis, and Henderson, so I don't know who's who. Take Him to the Door. That's all there is. There ain't no more blues. Okay. Come on. Whoa. Whoa.
I heard a fella complain, the women don't treat me right. There are girls who care, there are girls who don't, but the ones I get are the ones who won't. Oh gee, they give me a pain, I'm getting to hate their sides, 'cause when I give them a good evening, they give me a good night. I got those take 'em to the door. That's all there is. There ain't no more blues.
Oh my god. Okay, enough of that one. Yes, I think I played this one before. So there we are. It's working pretty good. Can't push past some difficult spots. Going to be lack of lubrication, probably. Simple as that. But sound is pretty good. Isn't that just? I just feel like I'm right back in the 1930s when I put that on. So let's see if it'll turn itself off again. Get your hand out of the way quick when it's on 78. I'm so impressed it turns itself off. That's fantastic. It seems to be made for two sizes of records. 33. Here's the 33 trip lever. Or a 45, because it just jumped into here. It doesn't seem like it's made to find this particular size. Or you'd think maybe when it was set to 78 it would. Typically this is the size of a 78 record. Pretty neat. Take 'em to the door, that's all there is, there ain't no more. blues. Well, here's another one. Waiting at the church. Or my wife won't let me. What? Surprisingly racy stuff from back in whenever this was. When was this? It's done by Spartan Records. Not licensed for radio broadcast. Canadian pressing by Spartan. I don't see a year on here though. The last numbers pressed in the plastic are 45. 1945 maybe? I don't know. Anyway, we'll have to do a little bit of lubrication here, so let's not forget to unplug it. Turn down the amp. Pull out the plug. I'm so impressed at how little, how there's no hum in this radio. Really. It's really great. Volume's down. Okay, I'll pull out the plug on the record player. There we go. Get them away from that amplifier. Put this back on radio. That's AM radio. Put it back on. Now let's go right on to shortwave. Okay. Down the lower frequencies. It's a little later now. I tell you, a lot of people have a lot of ideas. They sure sound crazy to me. But, wow, they find their place onto radios. AM radio and shortwave radio. And they just seem to be able to say whatever they want. But I guess that's what I can do on my little TV, my YouTube TV channel here. Okay, unplugged, safe. Let's take a look underneath here. Whack, don't let that happen. Let's flip it a bit. Ooh, I think the bladder fell off here again. I forgot it wasn't locked in. Okay. The cord's fairly flexible, that's kind of nice. So, first of all, hey, it's pretty clean under here, isn't it? And, yeah. This is the bearing I took off and cleaned up. So why is there so much force problem with this mechanism here? Now when I turn this wheel, I'm feeling exactly what is felt by the motor. So yeah, it's very difficult right through there. I think I might see the problem already. Okay, so I'm looking right in here. Come down from your high perch and have a look at this. Everything's kind of black, so it's a little hard to see. that guy right there. I think that's a roller on a spindle. And the roller should roll. And it rolls around the inside of this thing. But I don't think that thing is rolling. So it's skidding its way around. It's okay where the pressure's light, but as soon as the thing is asked to work, it's asked to work right in here. I'm not showing you it. There it is. It also looks to me like the metal is kind of bunged up in here. Maybe that's just a bit of oil. No, it's smooth. Smooth everywhere. So the trick is to get that roller spindling. Get the roller spindling. Hey, wait a minute. Did you say that's turning? Yeah, that's turning. It's not turning there though. It's skidding. You know, it looks a little bit misshapen, doesn't it? It's all that goop down at the bottom there. Gee, you know, I'm looking over at my computer screen and I'm getting a better view of this than I do with my eyeballs by doing this. Yeah. Let me move it again and see what well, I don't know what to think. I'm pretty sure that's the strain. What else could it be? What else is beginning to engage at that point? Oh yeah, I can see down in places I can't see with my eye. This is good. Well, I see that piece that's dropping down there. That movement coincides with, I mean, you can see I'm turning the wheel only so far and stopping. This is real tough right in through here. Okay, another thing I can do is I can put this in the tough spot and then try to move this by hand. Oh yeah, see, it's really tough. Why? Why would that be so tough in there? I wonder if it's this, slide points. These brass washers aren't turning. It could be because they're jammed by that. No, I think they're screwed down tight. They're not meant to turn. Oh, another mechanism that's operating there at that point. this thing right here. So this moves easily. Go further, easy, easy. Oh, right there, it gets tough. And now to do this, it's tough. It's really tough. So, of course, that's the mechanism that drops the records. Now, the way it is here, it could well be that no. Okay. I thought there might be some way in which the movement of that dropping mechanism was interfered with the fact I have the turntable upside down and laying or sitting on it. Not the case though. So I think maybe if we can loosen this up in here, I think we might be cooking with gas after that, so to speak. Talking about cooking, I gotta stop for lunch, for dinner. So we'll carry on in a bit.